And here we are. Welcome to a new esoteric art session. In these sessions, we ask to our higher self important questions. We ask for guidance, for clarity, for support in regards of a topic that burns within ourselves. And because we just passed the Christmas day, I had a reflection on it, and I was thinking about how Christmas is a product of the Matrix. I've been raised with the story of Jesus, and at a certain point in my life, I came across the concept that Jesus was a shaman. Then, years later, that Jesus was simply a man as another who had very much confidence in his powers. So I wanted to ask through this esoteric art session, who was Jesus? And as you can see from the drawing that I am letting to emerge, here the character that came up with this message. Jesus was a magician, a being of light who came to earth to speak the truth. He was afraid because what he had to reveal was ahead for those times, yet somehow perfect. As humans were still pure, they didn't have all the constructs of nowadays. He had to camouflage himself, and he came anyway, confident in his powers and in the gift he had for humanity. He chose to operate through religion because that was a very powerful field which touched directly hearts and souls of people, and also very potent people in their social roles. So he could be sure to work powerfully and to leave a sign. His truth was to make people free, to liberate them from any prison, physical or spiritual, so they could be light and pure as a feather. He brought to earth what could maintain that feather's lightness, that equilibrium, and make everyone to soar high towards the light. So I know that this is a burning topic, and this is what we do through an esoteric art session. You can book yours right now and ask wherever you desire.